Bank, bank. I deposited money in the bank. Back, back. My back hurts after carrying the bag. Backbone, backbone. The backbone supports the body. Blood, blood, blood flows through our bodies. Bleed, bleed. His finger began to bleed. Basket, basket. She put the apples in the basket. Poke, poke. I bought a new poke yesterday. Baby, baby. The baby is sleeping carefully. Bacteria, bacteria. Some bacteria can cause diseases. Bad, bad. Smoking is bad for your health. Bald, bald. My grandfather is bald. Balloon, balloon. The child is holding a red balloon. Ball, ball. The boys are playing with a ball. Banana, banana. I eat a banana every morning. Barbaric, barbaric. Everyone condemned the barbaric attack. Barrel, barrel. The water is stored in large barrel. Barrier, barrier. The barrier stops the cars from entering. Base, base. The army built a military base. Basin, basin. Please wash your hands in the basin. Bandit, bandit. The police arrested the bandit. Bat, bat. A bat was flying in the cave. Bath, bath. I take a bath every evening. Bathroom, bathroom. The bathroom is upstairs. Bottle, bottle. The soldiers fought a fierce battle. Beach, beach. We walked along the beach at sunset. Beans, beans. My mother cooked beans for dinner. Beard, beard. He has a long beard. Beautiful, beautiful. She has a beautiful smile. Beauty, beauty. The beauty of nature amazed us. Bed, bed. I went to bed early last night. Bedroom, bedroom. My bedroom is very clean. Bee, bee. A bee landed off the floor. Beetle, beetle. The beetle crawled across the ground. Belt, belt. He is wearing a black belt. Behavior, behavior. Good behavior is important at school. Behind, behind. The cat is hiding behind the door. Believe, believe. I believe you are telling the truth. Bicycle, bicycle. He rides his bicycle to school every day. Birthday, birthday. Today is my birthday. Bitter, bitter. The medicine tastes bitter. Biscuit, biscuit. She ate a biscuit with her tea. Bite, bite. The dog gave him a bite on the hand. Black, black. She is wearing a black dress. Black market, black market. The goodies were sold on the black market. Blackboard, blackboard. The teacher wrote on the blackboard. Bladder, bladder. The bladder stores urine. Burrow, burrow. Can I borrow your pen? Blanket. Blanket. I covered myself with a one blanket. Blog. Blog. The police blocked the road. Thank you for your watch. I hope you are enjoying this video. And if you have finished it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't miss the next video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.